We're at the front gate of number 135 Davidson Street. Now you have got a car space here for visitors, and you can see both the owners here park out here, but there is a little car space in here as well. Currently this owner is using it as storage. It's not a massive car space, but it is a car space when the stuff is not all in here. Okay, that's to the left hand side. To the right hand side is bathroom with louvers. This door goes out to the other side, and then here you've got the laundry all nicely tucked away. Brand new door. This goes out to the side of the property and to the back gate there. So if you're in the pool and you need to go to the bathroom, you can just come in through that door. Then you've got crim safe here. And it's a bit hot here today, so I'm just going to close this door behind me. Now, normally this is where you'd have a dining table there. You could put a round or a rectangle dining table. You've got storage in the cupboards under the stairs there and there. Through to the kitchen. All very nice appliances. Got a big pantry here. It just slides out. Exhaust, microwave spot. This is your aspect from the kitchen. It's nice and light. And the bench tops are all in very good condition. All soft closed drawers in the fridge. Now, proportions wise, this is a very good space. You can see those, if you had a different couch set up, you could open those doors all the time as well. Then all undercover here, so you've got a great shady place to sit. Take you through to the pool area. Your own private pool here. And all the garden lights come on at night with an app from your phone, so it all lights up and it looks lovely. Your pool filter's undercover here, which is a really good thing. Just looking back at Esther, the dog who lives here. Got a bit of a champagne shelf here so that you can sit and drink your champagne or beer. And it's nice and private. All neat and tidy. It's a really big space here. So around the side. So all of this is undercover. So all weather. All of this is undercover, and then you've got the shade sail for extra shade there. New fans. Now I'll just shut these doors because we've got the aircon going today. Sorry, Esther. Okay, up the stairs, turn the light on. Up here you've got beautiful polished hardwood floors. And this is a decent sized space as well. You could turn it into an office if you would like. It's me there. If you wanted to put a desk, or you could turn it into another media room, put a TV up on the wall instead of having a mirror, and have a couch here. Really big linen cupboard here, which is great. 3 bedrooms. This is one of the guest rooms overlooking Davidson Street and the front of the property. There's louver windows there, all the aircon's on here. Fans are in good condition. They've got TV mounted, and you've got really big wardrobes as well. This is the bathroom that the 2 spare bedrooms share. As you can see, it's immaculate. Nice step-in shower, nice and easy. New toilet. Everything is very well maintained. Second of the bedrooms here. Again, this one is a bit overlooking the driveway. Double wardrobe built in here. All the fans are new and remote control. All the air cons are in excellent, well, relatively new. That one looks new. Actually, they're all new from memory. Yes, they are. This is the primary bedroom. So this is the space, the landing that you could utilise. Bathroom, 2 bedrooms, robe. And then in here, you come into the primary bedroom. Now, this is a king-size bed in here. And it has ample space to build in an extra wardrobe. It does have a small walk-in robe at the end there. You would probably want to build in some extra wardrobe space if there was 2 of you, though. I'll just take you out here. Again, all crim-safe screens up here, so you can leave it all open in the winter months and enjoy the breeze. New fans out here, all freshly painted. Nice big deck. So that's the top of your shade sail. That's the next door neighbour's shade sail. There's louver windows, aircon. I haven't even turned the lights on in here, so it's nice and light, as you can see. Nice little ensuite here. Walk-in shower. All the tapware's in really good condition. Tile to the ceiling. There you go. Shut this door as well. Beautiful floors all the way through upstairs. This is quite a small closet there. So you could add built in there, or you could just bring in cupboards for storage. Or if it's just the 2 of you, John, you can just use the other rooms or use this here. So, take you back downstairs. So this is me on the landing. You can see the space. It's hard to visualise it, but that is quite a decent size there that will allow for a indoor dining table. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. Private pool. Close to town. These come off, that's just so no one walks through the door there. That's the end of our tour. I'll just show you down here a little bit of lawn. Maybe I didn't show you. If you've got a pet,